My name is Sharma and I study in grade 12 in Pathways Aravali. Over the past 5 days, I've gotten the chance to learn about the basics of Python and the basics of AI and how machine learning works and how we can apply it in the real world. The concepts that I've learned that I enjoyed in this were how the different classifiers worked, and as well as how neural networks work and how the different layers function, and also about the applications of AI in the real world. My project title is Classification of Cancer based on gene expressions. So basically it looks at patients who have leukemia, and it classifies the types of leukemia based on the genes that are being expressed. The purpose of my project is to be able to classify cancer into different types, as different types of cancer have different types of treatments, and it's really important for the patient if they want to have a more effective treatment. During the project, my observations were that there's a lot of different ways to solve the problems. As for the classification, there were 2 different classifiers that I used, and they both serve the same function but differently. And as for the future, I can definitely improve this project because the data set I had was quite small. So if I can find a larger data set, I'll be able to make my model more accurate and more efficient.